In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi A3x, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then you need to tap on Device Unlock. Click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods. Create it. Hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then choose Confirm. Lastly, click on one of those options to manage lock screen notifications and hit Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!